Yes, my brothers, my sisters, I hope you did not vote. I honestly hope that you did not vote. The Americans just finished doing their election. They just finished their election and they tried everything possible to get you to vote. I really hope that you did not vote. I really hope. I'm talking to the so-called African American. If you are a so-called African American, if you are so-called black, I'm talking to you. Those of you who are in America, my lovely brothers and sisters who are in America, I hope that you did not vote, because we are not supposed to be voting. We should not be voting. We are Hebrew Israelite. We are Israelite. We are people of the Most High, and we should not be voting. We're not supposed to be voting for the other nations to rule over us. Europeans are other nations to us. We are not Europeans. They are not our people. We are not their people. We should not be participating in their election. It's actually a sin. It's actually a sin against God, a sin against our Creator, a sin against our God for us to be appointing the people of other nations to rule over us. We shouldn't be voting for people who are not our people, according to Deuteronomy chapter 17 from verse 15. Deuteronomy chapter 17 from verse 15. You will see it. It's very clear. We are not allowed to vote for people of other nations like the Europeans, like the Asians, the Latinos, these other nations, these heathens. We should not be voting for them. If we vote for them, we are committing sin. So we shouldn't be. If you are in America, you should not be voting for anybody, not for Donald Trump, not for Joe Biden. These people are your enemies. These people are our enemies, and we're not allowed to be voting for them. We shouldn't be voting for Donald Trump. We shouldn't be voting for Joe Biden. They're all the same. Look at their records. Look at their records. They all hate you. Look at Joe Biden. Look at his record. Joe Biden put so many of our people in prison. Joe Biden put so many of our people in prison. It's not even funny. Same thing with the whore, that prostitute that is running with her, Kamala Harris. That whore, that prostitute Kamala Harris. Same thing. You know how many people she put in prison in California? These people are our enemies. These people hate us, and we should not be voting for them. Not Donald Trump, not Joe Biden, not Kamala Harris. These people are our enemies, and we should not be appointing a stranger to rule over us. We should not be voting for or appointing strangers to rule over us. It's the law of our Creator forbids that. We are Israelites, we are God's chosen, and we shouldn't be voting for Gentiles to rule over us, according to the law in Deuteronomy chapter 17 from verse 15. The law in Deuteronomy chapter 17 from verse 15, we should not be appointing the heathen, the Gentiles, to rule over us. We should not be doing that. So I highly discourage you. If you're in Jamaica, if you are in Belize, if you're in Trinidad, if you are in America, if you are in Africa, Ghana, Cameroon, Nigeria, all these countries that has been created by our enemies, all these countries that has been created by the Europeans, I encourage you, wherever you are, do not vote. We should not be voting for anybody. The only person we should vote for, according to the law of the Most High, the only person we should vote for are those who are keeping the law. For you to vote for somebody, they have to be keeping the laws of the Most High. Then you can vote for them. Look at Deuteronomy chapter 17. Deuteronomy 17 is very clear. So wherever you are, do not participate in the electoral system. Don't vote. Don't participate. Don't participate in their system. You are an Israelite. All our effort, all our attention, all our energy, everything we have should be focused in keeping the laws and the commandment of our Heavenly Father, because right now our God is not happy with us. Our God is not happy with us. That's why He has handed us over into the hands of our enemies. That's why our God gave us into the hands of our enemies, and those who hate us are ruling over us. The worst thing we could do is to turn around and vote for our enemies. The Europeans, the Asians, the Latinos, these nations should not be ruling over us, and we shouldn't be voting for them. So wherever you are, do not vote. All praises to our Heavenly Father. If you do have any question, feel free to contact. I discourage you from voting wherever you are. Do not vote. All praises to our Heavenly Father.